In this video, we'll show you how you can export text messages as a PDF on your Android phone. So if you have a specific chat that you want to export as a PDF, it's quite easy to do this, but the option isn't available natively. So you'll first need to head to the Play Store on your phone and download this free app called SMS Backup and Restore. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Now here tap on Get Started and allow all the necessary permissions to the app. Now here tap on this Set a Backup option. Now here turn off this Call Logs option and then tap on Advanced Options. Now here you can export the PDF with attachment and media file or without it. So for this example, I'm just going to export it without the media files. Now tap on Next. Now here enable the toggle next to your phone. Now tap on Next. Now select Yes to confirm. Now tap on Settings and allow the necessary permission for the app. Now turn off the Schedule Recurring Backups since we only want to do this once. Now tap on Backup Now. Now simply wait for the backup to complete. Once you see this Backup Complete option, simply tap on this View Details. Now here you should see your backed up data. Simply tap on it. Now here it will show you all of your chats. Now simply find the chat that you want to export as a PDF. Tap the three dot icon next to it and then select Print Conversation. Select all messages and then select Export. So as you can see, this is how your file will appear. Now here tap on this drop down menu and then select Save to PDF. Now it will ask you where you want to save the PDF file, so I'll just save it here. Now if I go to the My Files app on my phone, as you can see the PDF is right here. Here it is showing me all the messages with exact date and time, and also whether it was a message received or message sent. So this is how you can export text messages as a PDF on your Android phone. You can then also print them from here. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.